Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Andorra. So here let's open Google and I will likely search for top banks in Andorra. Okay, so here we can see. So the first bank is Andorra Bank Agricole. Then we have Credit Andorra SA. Then we have our Mora Banker Group. Okay, then SA. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in Andorra Bank Agricole. Okay, so I will just open Andorra bank site and bank. Okay, so this is a private bank. Okay, so to open an account here you have to go to their website, and here I can see they have private banking, they have individuals, and they have businesses. So I will just go to the businesses. Okay, so the business option. Okay, so they have business, investment, and other things also. So it is corporates and payments, finance, corporate banks. So to open a bank account you have to visit their nearest branch. they not they does not provide any online facility to open a bank account. Okay, so if you go to their collect payments in here option. Okay, so they will they have other option also, like direct debiting, pay gold, virtual POS, secure shopping, other things. But you have to go to your nearest branch, their nearest branch, and from there you can open. So you can just click on contact button. Okay, so when you list contact, so their number is here, their Gmail address and their call number. Okay, and these are the some address you can just visit. So you can just select your location from here. Okay, so Andorra la Vella. Then we have offices, ATM. So here we can see office. So they have two offices. Okay, so you can just visit any one of them at this timing. Okay, so after visiting you can just fill the form for your business. So it will require a minimum age of 18, and you should have a business legal license and other identity proofs. So this is how to open a business bank account in Andorra. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.